Correct. Oh, crazy. That's how it goes. And millions of people living as fools. But maybe it's not too late to learn how to love, forget how to hate. Man, I was not hating. Life's a bit of shame. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I'm going off the rails on a crazy. Let's go. I listen to preachers, I listen to fools. I watch all the dropouts who make their own rules. One person conditioned to rule and control. The media sells it, and you live that role. Man, I was still screaming, driving me insane. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I'm going off the rails on a crazy. I know that things are going wrong for me. You gotta listen to my words. Heirs of the Cold War, that's what we become. Inherent in trouble, I'm mentally numb, 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 numb. Oh, 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 crazy, I just cannot bear. I'm living with something that just isn't fair. Man, I was not here.